Hey friends, this is Nathi Pope here. And welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Dogelon Mars has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, now the price line is retesting this resistance, this uptrend line resistance that was in fact previously working as a very long-term support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And if we take a look at the previous history of this uptrend line support, then you can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. Here we had a long spike, but the price and could not break it down. Then it worked as a very nice support here. And here we broke it down. And now we have again broken it out. And now for the past few days, the price is retesting this level as support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Dogelon Mars that I shared on 16th of May 2024 with my members. And this move is formed on a weekly time frame chart and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ZRO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 13th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this for the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the long-term trade setup for Dogelon Mars that I shared on 16th of May 2024. And this is a very massive and huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Dogelon Mars has formed on a weekly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price is still moving inside this buying zone. And I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone. And the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley starts from 2838 and goes to 3728. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, the live daily time frame chart first, let me to show you. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this quite long-term and quite big falling wedge pattern. And now recently, you can see that after getting bounced on the support of this wedge, the price line has broken out the resistance of this wedge, and now it is retesting this uptrend line support that has been previously working as support here, and here, and it has been working as a resistance after the breakdown. You can see that it was flipped into a resistance here, and now after the breakout for the past few days, it is again working as support. In case of breaking it down, but once again, the price can test the previous resistance of the wedge as a support somewhere here, approximately at 1640. And now if you take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that technical target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 4200. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 4200 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And recently, after the breakout from this wedge, once again, it worked as a very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, that is, by the way, began here after the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, we will still need to break out this resistance of 4200. And now if we take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of this wedge, approximately at .0000 and 0, 5 times zeros, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.